Okay, here's the tool from last time. Yes, the brush. What is it? I have been told that this is something called a file card. It has these tiny little tines. Let's get really close here, there, on one side. And then a coarser brush on the other. And what you're supposed to do with this is, you'll see this file is old and worn, but it has crud in the grooves. And what you're supposed to do, I think, at an angle, is rub the file with the tines as best you can in an attempt to remove whatever it is, the soft material, in this case probably aluminum, that has clogged up the tines or the grooves in the file. And I don't seem to be able to get, let's see if I can get this close enough for focus. Got to do this. Come on, baby, you can do it. Wait a minute, let's try this. There it goes. I don't seem to be able to get that crud out of there. I have at times used a wire wheel. So that's what that is. And it's referred to as a file card. And you can see a lot of it's worn away, but it's still good, it still works. Okay. The tool for next time is this. What is it? What does it do? Thanks for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.